Ki stems bus ki balapan mi da ka sarkar jala nagabenta ban Iarap ki khana school ki lapan mentoy nagabenta ban Pynduna ki Jingkhapngiah kali ha Shillong. Namar ba ka Shillong ka ikendu ki Jingkhapngiah ki bakrao ha ka ban penya ki kali ha ka polong school ka sarkar jala ha usnam 8,000 fuar ka lapan treka me ki lai photali ki school bus. Hadin ke jemput rekam ka basisnam kumba khatlai spa angot ki khana school ki penon kami kini ki bus bat kelalong ke jemput Shibun na ke benta ke jongki. Ka sarkar kadang persang ru ban penya di kini ki bus ha ki wepat ki sor kum hatura bat hajawai bat ban pet benya la ka Iarap ne ban Pynduna ke Jingkhapngiah kali namar bakat kum ki jingte balayo kani ke jing shakri lingba kini ki bus lala ban Pynduna hadu san pundu hajar tali ki kali hasyallah.
Ever since I've started going by this bus, my punctuality has also improved because the bus reaches early. And also, I feel like it's a very great experience, especially with many students. We get to socialize with other classes as well. So it'd be really great if more students came with this bus.
This bus is nice because the caretakers take care of us. They give us our bags when we need to get off.
I like that they take care of us actually. They help us get down the bus when we arrive.
I like the bus. It makes it easier from home to school, come home to school.
It has a lot of features and it's nice with going along with friends.
It opens so many opportunities for friends, for making friends, for meeting new people, and it's just very nice. It's quite fun out here. And it's very nice.
The quality is good. The seats are comfortable and it is family friendly.
Well, I think it's a very comfortable way to come to school and go back home, and you can make friends a lot faster. Well, yes, I think so. Every time me and my mother used to go by the taxi. So, yeah, it's much time wasted for us.
So it has been able to save a lot of time of my parents.
It saved my mom's time a lot because she works in the shop. So she only needs to pick me up and go back to the shop.
If everybody just goes from the bus, it'll be easier it'll save parents' time. It'll save money also.
If you join this bus, there will be less cars and the environment will be more or less.
They should join the bus to save money and to cause less traffic in the city, because it's difficult when there's traffic to get home early and study, and we have a busy schedule, and our parents also, we save their time, and plus it's fun, you get to socialize and make new friends.
Please come, it's really fun, and I think you'll like it a lot in here.
So we started, this was a very humble beginning from 2022 onwards, where ideation was done, and those are 2023 onwards we started dheere karke on a pilot basis running these buses. Today 30 buses are running, 39 buses actually, with a total capacity of 1236 students. As we speak, we are currently working hard and proactively to ensure that by the end of this year, total 60 buses are running, so which means if you reduce 39 from that, around 21 more buses. We are actively working to ensure that we can get them running as well. So that is the impact so far.
Okay.
Right, so firstly, we have a very robust system of caretakers. We have both male and female caretakers who are duly trained by us. We also have an app wherein parents can see effectively the status of their bus, how it's going, how it's not. We are constantly in touch with our students, also their parents, through feedback forms, etc. We are ensuring that disembarkation points are safe, they are safely demarcated, that when children are disembarking, there are caretakers hand-holding them. So we are also coordinating with the police to ensure that buses get priority in terms of parking, things like that we are constantly doing. These demands, however, we are currently doing an analysis as to how this model can be feasible in other places, right? Because Shillong has its own unique features, right? Like there is massive congestion, there is a lot of population, lot of schools, etc. Jowai and Tura will have different parameters for these things. So once that analysis is done, then we'll finally be able to decide if we can expand or not. SEMS is obviously doing a lot to ease the traffic congestion. If you see the amount of cars that have been removed from the road annually, it's around 56,000 as per our impact assessment report for the year 2023-24. And obviously each bus on an average can take off 4 or 5 cars of the street, considering the occupancy per car. And of the bus we have 32 students occupying every bus. So definitely that has removed cars substantially. Carbon emissions have gone down, fuel savings for the parents actually, almost parents are saving around I think 12,000 rupees annually. So these are substantial savings, and this is just the start. I hope we can do better in reducing congestion as we expand to other ways like maybe office employees or other use cases of STEM. So we believe that largely it is because of lack of adequate information. We think that schools might have apprehensions about safety, about feasibility, about fee structures and professionalism, etc. So we are trying our best to do more proactive awareness and interaction rather with schools. In fact, understand their exact apprehensions so that we can solve them. That's one. But second, of course, there are some grievances which might also be legitimate, right? In some cases, for example, if they believe behavior of the personnel of our team might not be great in terms of, let's say, caretakers or drivers or any such valid complaints, we're trying our best to ensure that disciplinary provisions or other ways we can quell these very valid complaints. So I think lack of information as well as addressing legitimate grievances is what we're trying to see. The thing is, right now, as I told you, 39 buses are up and running and we have 60. So as of now, I can see immediately we're trying to expand these to school kids only. Of course, like I said earlier also, that has been on the pipeline, but as of now that is not concretized and we are working to see how we can concretize it.